Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOok 846, and in this video I will show you how to rotate screen on this laptop. To rotate screen, open the start menu, then go to settings, then in settings go to system, and then open display settings right here. Scroll down until you find the display orientation feature, then expand this list next to this feature and select the orientation that you would like to see on your laptop. For example, if you select a portrait orientation, your device's screen will be temporarily rotated and you'll have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them. If you don't do anything within this 15 seconds, the changes will be reverted, so let's keep them. And at this point, to rotate screen back, you have to expand this list once again, select landscape option and then keep changes. So that's how you rotate your screen. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.